Okay, so we're about to go on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry. If you watch Beautician Chick, you know where that's from. I'm gonna link her below. Sis is hilarious. Anywho, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. We are going to be watching Dami get a man weave. I know, but it's not any ordinary man weave. I know you guys have seen like the man weaves where they basically like put the artificial hair on top of the bald patch and then they cut around it and make it like a shape up, but Dami's not getting that. He's actually getting like a full lace wig installed on his head top. So we're gonna be seeing the process of that and what that's gonna look like. It's gonna be done by Remy Lide. She slays everyone's hair. She has slayed multiple people's hair. She slayed Jackie Aina, she slayed Nikki Thought, she slayed Ducky Thought, she slayed Patricia Bright. She's done the works of them, honey. So her work is amazing. Of course she's done me as well, so I'll link all her work that I've done with her down below. I'm gonna meet up with Dami. We're gonna meet in South London, so I have to literally hurry up and get there, and we are gonna see how this goes. I'm excited. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see what his hair is gonna look like. Look who's here. We are with Dami.
Hey everyone.
So tell them what you're gonna do. I've already explained it.
Okay, so I'm gonna try some hair today, guys. I'm super nervous. I'm excited as well. So we're going to the Midnight Day, and yeah, so you're gonna stay tuned and see how that looks on me.
So why are you doing this?
Obviously, a lot of guys wear wigs, and I kind of want to try to make it normal for guys to wear wigs and do other stuff out of the normal beauty standard.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
So he's breaking the beauty standards.
So breaking the beauty standards, honey.
Breaking up, honey. So we're gonna see him with a weave, a full lace wig, honey.
Okay. I love the camera, you know. I'm gonna get the camera.
So wait, focus, bitch. So the look we're going for is the Castillo look. So if you guys know Castillo from Backchat, he has like really nice curly. I think he's mixed. Like I think he's like mixed. No, he has Indian in him.
But that hair.
So he has like really nice, like curly, smooth, kind of wavy hair. I'm not sure.
But I also asked for pop smoke as well.
Yeah, so we might do like different styles.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure what texture Dami got. Hopefully, was it curly, straight?
I don't know.
If it's curly, it's gonna look like a silo. If it's not,
no,
obviously
it's curly.
Girl, my hair. Hold on a second. Hair is not. Yeah, so he's gonna get a full lace curly. The hair is from Ali Pearl
Guys,
hair.
my edges.
He just got a shape up, obviously, but
I don't want my edges to go.
Shut up.
I don't want to lose my hairline.
You're not gonna lose your hairline.
Okay, I don't lose my hairline.
We're gonna see you when we get to Remy's house. Okay, so we are at Remy Lide's house currently, and Dami is about to get his hair done. Here's Dami, and here's the wig.
My heart's beating, guys.
Nice curly.
The wig is nice though.
Wig is really nice, to be fair. The texture looks really nice. So
God, I'm gonna be a Brazilian today.
if you do want to see the full process, sorry, I'm literally trying to find like good light. If you do want to see the full process, I'll definitely check out Dami's video. He's gonna have it up by the time this video is out.
Hopefully by it.
But we're just prepping at the moment. How do you feel?
I'm nervous. I'm a sweat. I got my fan on.
So Remy's just blow drying the hair out.
The only thing I'm nervous is that I have never done this before, so it's like what's gonna happen, how I'm gonna look.
So he's gonna have it done with like a shape up in the front. He's obviously already had his hair done. Bender. He already has a shape up, so he's gonna have like the whole work.
I don't know. I know how to do happy.
Okay, so we're about to go on.
Okay, so I'm actually just gonna measure up.
Oh my god, Dami.
Oh, alright.
So this is just shaping.
That's too long.
So you do this every time?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you should keep it.
But then people are standing.
You never know, like one day you might decide I just want to wear wigs.
If it looks really nice, I might just end up knowing me.
Who cares if people stare? I mean,
time when I first started doing makeup,
Occasions, what about like?
when I first started doing makeup, my friend, one of my close friends, Johnny, hold this.
No,
Okay. One of my close friends, she was like, Dami, I bet one day you're gonna start wearing eyelashes. I was like, never, I would never do that. I said, no. I'm using the foundation. Before you know it, I started wearing lashes. Then it's like a ladder for me. Now I'm wearing wigs. Instead of just trying the video, then I'll like it.
imagine you start wearing wigs now. You start out wigging me.
I know. And if I do it, you know I don't play. I'll be like, what wigs is that? I'll go from Lide, and what do you go do? Then I'll start acting. I'll start talking it. I'll start doing it. Oh yeah, her lace front, that lace. Why is the lace bleeding?
I'm just trying to shape it too. actual
hairline. Oh, okay. This is so interesting. This is a hard job, you know.
I can imagine.
It's not easy.
Skills.
Yeah. You look so nervous, Dami.
I don't want to look, because I'm a very shaky person.
Oh, okay, okay. So you're just trying to keep still.
So I don't want to mess it up, so I'm being quiet.
So men have really dense hairlines.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard like the same.
So is that what you're trying to achieve? Like, yeah.
Yeah. Whereas like with girls, we would customize.
Yeah.
For some men.
Some men bald.
Yeah, my hairline is, I guess, is okay.
Be interested. We actually go to Ivy Asia with this
I've
video.
not looked anything. I've not looked at it.
Oh my
I want to
gosh.
look, but I'm just saying not to look.
You look so nervous.
Guys, if you guys can hear me, I want to look at what Remy Light is doing. But I'm just trying my best not to look. Ropo has hit the, is it rear view camera?
Rear view.
What's it?
The other camera, yeah.
Camera, whatever. You guys know I know the rear view, whatever. She's hid it from me, so I can't see nothing. So, but Remy Light, it feels good. She put some glue. She put some glue. It feels cool sensation. So.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like uncomfortable or anything.
Not yet. Not really.
You relaxed?
I feel like it hurts more to cut my hair than this.
Really? It hurts to cut your hair?
It doesn't hurt, but I'm saying
It's more uncomfortable.
it's more uncomfortable to cut my hair than this. Yeah.
So this is more relaxing.
Well, they're both the same, I guess.
Okay.
Nikki, you the old body.
I'm gonna do this one as well.
I feel like I have an attitude already.
Because of the hair.
That's not bad.
Sorry.
You know, I said that when you look nice, you start getting attitude.
That's what, you know, it long.
You the old body.
You know,
Sipping on mascara.
sipping a Moscato.
Friend.
Wow.
It's Brazilian.
It's Brazilian. It looks very different, I would say that. It makes your face look very different. Yeah.
In a good way, I hope.
Kind of look like a wolf.
It's the beard as well.
If my mom sees this, she's like, Dami, hey! I can't tell my mom, if no one sees this, she might be crying.
She might cry.
Sorry, mommy, I know you're watching this. Sorry, I'm not being no.
Does she watch all your videos?
Who knows? Someone send it to her.
We'll end up in the WhatsApp group.
I want
So you want to make sure that it's like stuck onto the forehead. That makes it right.
Oh, so does it actually have to stay down like gel?
It has to, like,
Oh, okay.
Because you know, like men when they have that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I even tried it, and then I tried it on like any closure, and it was flapping, but it has to stick.
Is mine flapping?
No, it's staying.
So then I'll wrap it as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but
It's uncomfortable, but it's gonna get you the look.
Yeah, this is the only part that was a bit like. The fact we use both for the camera, I'm not too impressed.
the clippers don't hurt.
Of course not, babe.
Okay guys, so Dami's halfway to getting his wig done. Right now we're just kind of like shaping up the front of the wig, kind of like a shape up kind of hairline thingy majig going on, so I don't want to disturb whilst that's happening, but so far so good. It's looking cute. All right, Dami, so give us a twirl. We're nearly done. Turn from side to side. How do you feel about your hair?
Oh, I feel my hair looks amazing. I haven't seen it yet.
So how do you feel about it so far?
This is Brazilian hair from alipearl.com. Okay, so if you need to get some Brazilian hair, because
You're supposed to be talking to this camera.
Oh, is that filming?
It's filming, but
Oh, okay. But yeah, I feel really good. I love my hair so far because it's on my head and it's my hair. But yeah, I think it's good.
why are you hiding?
I'm excited. I can't wait to see it.
Let me just give a little 360 to show y'all the back. This is how long it is. How long what length did you
I
get?
think it's 18 or 16. Was it 18 or 16?
It looks like a 20 if you pull it down.
Oh, it probably was 20.
If you pull it down, it looks like...
It wasn't
like
the
18, 20.
It wasn't the shortest one because I wanted to get one that was a bit short. You said that we don't get one that's a bit more longer. I remember you said that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check in with you guys when it's nearly done. We're gonna get Dami's reaction
But you shouldn't have seen her camera first, babe.
in a sec.
How does it look like?
Yeah.
Does I look like one of the girls that you're on your Instagram page?
Better. I'm just thinking, how should we style it? Like, just have it like this.
Because I feel like this is gonna make me more gay. This hair.
I mean, I think they know you're gay.
Welcome to the party.
Oh, I'm so done.
Welcome to the party.
Why are you like this?
So we sorry.
Oh, sorry.
So we are done, and Dami's about to see his hair. I'm gonna get a live reaction.
Nice.
I was scared, but okay, let's see. Go on, look at the mirror. That one, whichever one.
Wow.
No, this mirror's not clear.
Do this one. Do this big mirror.
Wait, I see.
This one.
Wow, guys. I see the
light.
Wow. Wow.
What do you think?
I like it. It's different.
Is it different?
It's really different.
Look at me.
I'm a bit confused because I'm listening to my hair.
Do you feel like you need time to like get used to it?
No, I like it.
Are you gonna wear it?
I look like I just like I got a lot of hair going on, boy.
Let's see what it would look like with a like pull it back.
Pull it back
With a ponytail.
I like
Oops,
it.
sorry, I don't want to scratch you.
I look
Like hold it back like a ponytail.
I got a ponytail.
Yeah, let me see what it would look like.
Get my own hair. Can you imagine? It's just wet.
Look here.
I'm not gonna touch this.
Turn this way. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna do two braids
Some braids.
and see how that's gonna look.
I like it.
It's different. It's
I
different.
think now the styling. Oh, I like my hair. Sorry, I'll take a picture. I've never had hair before, so I feel like wow.
Okay, let's do the
Yeah.
styles and see how the
Let's do the styles.
different styles look. Yeah, I think the braids look a lot more masculine.
Rather than just having your hair out, like yeah.
Zaddy, thank you, babes.
The way he looks.
Babe, he's calling me Zaddy already with his hair. This hair's giving Zaddy.
Yeah,
vibes.
I like that.
I don't know. What do you think?
I like it.
Ask the public.
Guys, what do you think? Can you guys help us? So we're here asking questions.
Man bun or no man bun?
Man bun, no man bun. Okay.
So guys, this is the final look. Oh, he's just doing a reel. Yeah, this is the final look. This is what we're looking like. This is the side. I feel like this style looks a lot more masculine, in my opinion. But yeah,
Guys,
what
look
do
at
you
my
guys think?
hair. All done.
It's so funny because you don't know how to actually like
I don't
whip
act,
your hair
I
properly.
know.
But yeah, it looks
at all.
cute. So yeah, this is just a close up of the hair. The texture is really nice. And she's just done this bit. Ooh, my nail. Jesus. She's just done this bit so it looks like a fade, and obviously mimicked his hairline. But yeah, I like the texture of the hair a lot. Turn around to the side. Yeah. And this is what I mentioned before. I feel like if the texture of his beard matched this, it will look a lot more seamless. But obviously we can't do that. So this is the best.
I'm not going to move my beard for those that want to say that.
This is the best we can do. But Remy did a really good job. So
And guys, make sure you book her.
of course.
Honestly, for all your lace spots and for all my guys out there, I hope you have the confidence to look like this. So comment down below if you'd actually wear stuff like that.
You actually look like a different person. Okay guys, so we're just grabbing some food at Big Easy. This isn't Canary Wharf. I don't think I've actually been here, but I feel
Hair to my eye.
I feel like I might have been here before.
Seafood, lobsters, cocktails,
It's raining, so hopefully I don't drop my camera in the bloody sea.
What do you guys do to my hair?
Oh yeah, they've seen it at this point.
Oh, have they seen me? Okay.
Mine just looks crazy because it's getting frizzy because it's raining. Oh my god. So went to Breakfast Club instead. My hair is literally like soaked, so my natural hair is starting to frizz up. I'm not happy about it, to be honest, but it's all good. I'm going home soon anyway. But everything's looking a mess. I am starving, haven't eaten a thing this whole day, so yeah. Alright guys, so we got like a full breakfast. This is an American breakfast. Dami got the same, and then we got wings on the side. We are starving, so I'm gonna check in with you guys when we're done. Hey guys, so I totally forgot to do an outro for the vlog. So here I am, future Ropo, doing an outro. You're probably gonna see this look in like 10 different videos because I'm doing intros and outros that I forgot to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down below, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.